All right, guys. So I just want to say hi to everyone. Sorry that I was away for about 10 days. I was in Nepal. Unfortunately, trading was really, internet was really unreliable. I had a really good day. Brian and I both took this NIO opening range breakup, 1 minute opening range breakup, and it turned out to be really nice. I don't have any position except TNA and TQQ. That unfortunately, TQQ is not doing great. TNA is okay, and I think Qs are kind of bouncing. I mean, that's my hope is, although it's not, it's part of my portfolio. I still have so much cash on it that I might actually add later, but I'm in a 5-digit negative right now, holding it and see what it does. So in terms of trading for me, NIO was a really nice. The stock was gapping down 4%, but as I mentioned in the pre-market in the chat, that I'm looking at it for a long if it stays above the VWAP, and it did stay above the VWAP. So VWAP is the blue line on my chart. So it stayed above the VWAP, waited for the volume. Volume came in, popped up. It was a little bit too much away from the VWAP, but anyways, I decided to take it long because I saw also huge ask. Popped up, sold, came down, and then I took another trade on it. Brian this time came with me as well, long at 40.98, and from 40.80 we went all the way up to 42.24. So we just scaled out. This is the previous day close. We went from red to green with a really nice volume. And then on this pullback, I added more at 41.80, but unfortunately this pullback didn't hold. It popped up, but really couldn't break the high of the day. I was expecting it to go to the previous day high, so, but again, unfortunately this ad didn't work, and I got stopped out at the break of this, kind of stopped out. I didn't even wait for the breakout, and then it sold off. The reason for that was, sorry,
covering some OCGN.
Yeah, Brian is short OCGN. We're going to take a look at it quickly. So the strategy for me was 1 minute opening range breakup. You could take it also 5 minute opening range breakup. But the tricky part about this, the lesson that I want to talk about is these stocks, you got to be careful because the nature of the stock is gapping down. You got to be really careful for opening range breakup. You can still trade them opening range breakup like I did here, but you have to be really careful because they gap down for a reason. So there is a selling pressure on them anyways. So be careful on that. If, for example, if this pullback, when I added, if this stock was gapping up 5%, this pullback probably had a much better chance to break out the high of the day. So TNA and the TQQ doing some stuff. Market is kind of rolling over. Qs are becoming negative. As you see, this I think NIO got affected with the market as well. So Qs are selling off. So we probably want to go another round of big sell-off here. We might actually break this level. Yeah. So Qs are really down at level. I think the potentially Qs can. I think there's a potential. Oh shit, sorry. I think the Qs. Jared did a really nice analysis on them, but I think there's a chance for them to Qs or even testing these lowers back in January, or I think might go all the way up to 300 actually. Yeah, there's not much support left here, so we might actually go all the way up to 298 if it breaks down, which looks like it wants to break. Anyways, guys, well, thank you so much for that. I'm gonna head. I have a flight to catch. And see you all tomorrow morning in the chat. Sorry about the last 10 days or so that I couldn't make it.